Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Square, star, circle, triangle, heart, pentagon, square, star, circle, triangle, heart, pentagon. Let's color it. This is red color. This is red color. Square shape. Next one, yellow color. This is yellow color. Star shape. Next one, light green color. This is light green color. Circle shape. Next one, sky blue color. This is sky blue color. Triangle shape. Next one, brown color. This is brown color. Heart shape. Next one, purple color. This is purple color. Dear kids, this is purple color. This is pentagon shape. We are filling color in pentagon shape. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. Square, star, circle, triangle, heart, pentagon. Thank you kids. Bye bye. See you in next video.